Hello.
Let's practice English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Hi friends, we're Alex and Mia, and we're very happy you're here with us today.
If you want to improve your English speaking step by step, this episode is for you.
Today's topic is daily English practice to improve your speaking.
Speaking English every day is the best way to become confident.
And don't worry, today's lesson is simple and perfect for beginners.
Before we begin, please like, follow, or subscribe.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English too.
Take a deep breath.
Relax, listen carefully.
Let's begin.
Let's start with morning English practice.
When you wake up, speak simple sentences. I wake up at 7.
Listen again. I wake up at 7.
Now you say it. Good job. Next sentence. I brush my teeth.
I take a shower.
Let's repeat together. Repeat slowly. I brush my teeth.
Great! Speaking about your morning is easy daily practice.
Now let's talk about breakfast.
You can say, I eat breakfast at 8.
I eat breakfast at 8. My quick breakfast is a banana.
Or, I drink tea.
Listen and repeat. I drink tea.
Your turn.
Excellent. Simple daily sentences build confidence.
Next, talk about leaving home.
I get ready for work.
I leave home at 9.
If you study, you can say, I go to school. I study English.
Let's practice one together. I study English every day.
Now you say it. That's great. You're improving already.
During the day, talk about your activities.
I work on my computer. I have a meeting.
Or for students, I read my book. I do my homework.
Listen again. I read my book.
Now your turn.
Good job. Daily speaking makes English natural. Now let's talk about lunch.
I eat lunch at 1.
I eat rice and vegetables.
Or, I eat a sandwich.
After lunch, you can say, I go back to work. I feel a little tired.
Let's practice. I feel a little tired.
Your turn. Excellent.
Evening is a great time to practice speaking.
You can say, I come home at 6.
I relax.
I watch TV.
Or, I go for a walk.
Let's repeat one. I go for a walk in the evening.
Now you try. Great work.
At night, you can talk about your routine.
I have dinner at 8.
I check my phone.
I go to bed at 10.
Listen again.
Listen slowly.
Your turn.
Perfect. You just practiced a full day in English.
Now, let's practice a short conversation.
Listen first.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up at 7 and drink tea.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and relax.
Listen again.
Listen slowly.
Now you speak both parts.
Amazing. That's real English conversation.
Remember, speaking English is a habit.
You don't need long lessons.
Just talk about your day.
Morning, afternoon, evening, and night.
Simple English is powerful.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
And practice every day.
Even 5 minutes helps.
You're doing something great for your future.
And we are proud of you.
Let's review today's daily practice.
Talk about your morning.
Talk about meals and activities.
Talk about work or study.
Talk about your evening and night.
If you do this every day, your speaking will improve naturally.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments, what do you do every morning?
And one more fun question. What time do you wake up?
We love reading your answers.
If this episode helped you, don't forget to like and share.
And subscribe for more daily English practice.
Keep practicing.
Keep believing in yourself.
See you in the next episode. Bye!